Semi-truck drivers often face long hours, unpredictable weather, and complex traffic situations, making dash cams essential tools for protection and peace of mind. A quality dash cam can provide critical evidence during accidents, protect against false claims, monitor driving behavior, and offer helpful features like GPS logging and night vision. Here's a closer look at what makes these three dash cams the best options for semi-trucks.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Seventour RM Dash Cam. The Seventour RM Dash Cam is designed for comprehensive road coverage and is particularly well-suited for large vehicles like semi-trucks. It offers a triple-channel recording setup, typically including a front inside cabin and rear or side view camera. This wide-angle coverage ensures that every critical angle around the truck is recorded, which is vital for accident reconstruction, loading dock incidents, and monitoring cargo areas. This 4-channel backup system features a 10.2-inch HD touchscreen that can display feeds from all 4 cameras simultaneously, with the option to enlarge any view to full screen. It includes a built-in DVR for recording, supporting loop recording and local playback, allowing easy access to save footage directly on the monitor. The 4 cameras are constructed with durable aluminum alloy housings and meet the IP69 waterproof standard, making them highly resistant to both heat and cold, and capable of operating in extreme temperatures, ranging from -68 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-channel monitor system is designed for plug-and-play installation and can be mounted either on the dashboard with adhesive or secured to the cab roof with screws. Camera cables are easily concealed, ensuring they stay in place even at high speeds. Power is conveniently supplied via the included cigarette lighter adapter or USB cable. On number 2, we have Voonoa Dash Cam. The Voonoa Dash Cam stands out for its discreet, compact design that doesn't compromise on performance. This dash cam is ideal for drivers who want a low-profile solution that can be easily mounted without obstructing their view or drawing unwanted attention. This RV security camera system features 5 waterproof 1080p backup cameras, delivering a full 360 degrees view to eliminate blind spots and enhance safety, whether you're operating a truck, trailer, or camper. The 10.1-inch HD touchscreen offers DVR functionality, allowing for loop recording, local playback, and real-time surveillance of your surroundings. The advanced parking monitor ensures your vehicle is continuously observed, providing round-the-clock recording and documentation of any incidents. Equipped with a built-in Bluetooth 5.0 module, the system enables hands-free calling and contact sensing for added convenience. Additionally, integration with CarPlay and Android Auto provides live updates on traffic, road conditions, and navigation, keeping your journey well-informed and connected. On number 3, we have Garmin 67W Dash Cam. Garmin is a trusted name in navigation and in-vehicle technology, and the Garmin 67W Dash Cam is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. What sets this dash cam apart is its ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, allowing it to capture more of the road and surroundings than most standard dash cams. Despite its small size, it records in crisp 1440 resolution with Garmin Clarity HDR, making it ideal for capturing detailed footage in various lighting conditions. This can be particularly useful in capturing events that occur on the periphery of a truck, such as vehicles merging or unexpected lane changes. The Garmin 67W also includes voice control, automatic incident detection, and built-in GPS. These features help streamline operations and minimize driver distraction, which is especially important in commercial trucking environments. The cam syncs with the Garmin Drive app, allowing for easy video access and management from a smartphone. For fleets, it supports multicam setups when paired with additional units, enabling more comprehensive monitoring. Its compact design ensures it can be mounted discreetly without interfering with the driver's line of sight. So these are some of the best dash cams to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.